Hi everyone, Keri Stevens here with another 2-minute team science tip. Today we're going to talk about storing our files and naming our files. Okay, this does not sound like an exciting topic, but I promise you it will save you so much time if you'll have these conversations with your team. First of all, decide where you're going to store your data and where you're going to store your team files. Otherwise, what will happen is you'll have a Google Doc pop up here, a Dropbox here, a box here. All these different formats start coming up whenever people use their individual preferences, and no one can find where the latest documents are. A quick conversation is really going to help. The second thing has to do with naming your files, and I have an example for you here that I will share. So one of the things you want to do is talk about as a team how you're going to uniformly name your files. Take a look, particularly right here, at my interview data example. We do a lot of interview data and reflections on our interviews on my teams. And so I always have people put the ID number of the participant, the type of file it is, the date they collected it, and their initials. Then we can always find what we're looking for. We use a similar structure whenever we are saving academic literature. And so what you'll notice here is that the format we're using is last name of the first author, then a brief description of what the article is about, the journal or the proceedings where it's located, and finally the year. What's really nice about coming up with a standardized format for your team is that everyone knows what they're looking at. And once you get used to these kind of protocols and everyone is adopting them, it can save you a lot of time in your interdisciplinary teamwork. I hope these tips are helpful. Have a great day.